TEK4 is a world leader in drilling technology for cooling holes as applied to jet engines and gas turbines for energy production. TEK4 specialises in fast hole and multi-hole electro discharge machining, EDM, as well as laser drilling and stem drilling technology, enabling a wide range of parts and features to be drilled on aero and IGT blades, vanes, segments and other components. TEK4's 6G fast hole drill EDM machines have market-leading EDM performance, with main features including advanced breakthrough detection, automatic guide and electrode changing, rapid shaped hole drilling, in addition to best-in-class metallurgy. The 6G FHD machines are also available with an integrated laser ablation unit, enabling drill after coating to be achieved in a single system. Drill after coating DAC allows parts with a non-conductive coating to be processed using the laser to remove the coating, and then enables the EDM process to begin. This significantly benefits the production process. This process uses a 100 watt high frequency fibre laser to remove non-conductive coatings on components. This technology is confined within the FHD EDM machine, allowing for a single operation solution to drill after coating. The 6G FHD EDM machine uses its inbuilt CMM probe along with TEK4's 3 steps to accuracy technology to accurately line up the machine, resulting in very accurate and repeatable drilled parts. TEK4's 6G laser systems are able to drill, cut and weld in one setup, giving class-leading performance with a simple beam alignment. All machines are fitted with a measuring touch probe for machine calibration. TEK4's new generation of stem machines overcome the negative aspects of the process. An integrated in-machine acid system is provided to eliminate the problems of acid leaks, ensuring that if any future leaks were to occur, these would be contained within the machine structure. The system has advanced filtration, programmable temperature and pressure control, plus fully flexible turbulated hole capability for increased cooling efficiency. TEK4 has over 200 installed machines around the world in operation. TEK4 continues to develop its state-of-the-art technology faster than all of its competitors, with future technology patents being applied for. TEK4 is opening its brand new purpose-built technical centre in spring 2019. The new facility has excellent transport links and will be 5 times larger than our existing site, giving us the capacity to deliver up to 10 machines per month, and has areas specifically designed for the R&D department and for running trials and demonstrations.